So in this video, we're going to run through a quick review of Clarify CRM and compare it to LeadLoft to see which CRM is best for your team. Let's get into it. So this is Clarify CRM, and they're calling it an autonomous CRM. And essentially the way it works is they have companies, people, which are like contacts, and deals. So they have that traditional CRM setup. And the difficulty with any CRM that's set up like this, HubSpot, Salesforce, etc., is it just takes a lot of time and manual work to link people and companies and then create deals from companies or people. If you hop into LeadLoft, we operate a little bit differently. We just have leads. So if you open somebody up here, you have this lead, and underneath that lead, you have all the company information, all the contact information, everything's stored under that lead. And if you're selling to contacts, then you have the contact as the lead. Then the contact's company information or their related company is stored there. So in LeadLoft, you just track contacts or companies, depending on who you're selling to. Where in Clarify, you really got to figure out and map out your sales process depending on how it's going to be working there. The other thing I'd say is Clarify is pretty powerful. They have all these crazy workflows that you can build. I don't know what I'd want to build here. I know other CRMs offer things similar, but these triggers just feel a little unintuitive. It's a little difficult to map them out, but it's really advanced if you want it. So you can see here, say on create or update deal, I can do that. And then there's all this like code and advanced features if you want. I guess this is giving us a sample of what it would look like. And then also you can add steps from here. So from adding a step, I can do create a record, create relationship, say there's the deal, there's the relationship as the owner. Okay, next record, search. So I'm not even exactly sure what this is doing. It's obviously very customizable. So whatever you want to do in here, you should be able to do. Just keep in mind, it's going to be a little bit more taxing than LeadLoft. On the other end, LeadLoft doesn't offer crazy triggers like this. LeadLoft's more outreach focused. So for us, we really believe in generating leads or following up with leads. So we have these playbooks. I'll open up our VP's outbound here. And these playbooks can be used for inbound follow-ups or for outbound, right? But you can see here at the top, we have Bounce Shield, which can verify unverifiable and catch all emails. You can also just use them to refresh old data, make sure maybe a lead from 6 months ago, their email is still verified, so your team can avoid bounces. Then of course, you have automated emails here with personalization to the company name, the first name, etc. And of course, it's also personalized to the sender and the sender's signature. So if your whole team's using this, it will be personalized to the team member using this playbook. We also have LinkedIn connection requests, LinkedIn messages, and again, all of that is completely handled automatically. So when it comes to the outreach, LeadLoft's far more powerful, especially since LeadLoft also has prospecting features built on top of this. So if I hop into LinkedIn really quickly, and then from within LeadLoft, you can see we have our Chrome extension here at the bottom, and I can select a segment or a playbook. And if I have a playbook selected, we'll actually engage these leads upon clicking save. So we'll go click save on a couple contacts here. And now what we're going to do is we're actually going to find their contact information, verify it in real time, and then start engaging them in that playbook we have selected. Now, if you want to see this, you can go back to your pipeline, click pipeline, just give it a quick refresh. There's My Me at the top. We're going to open him up, and there he is. You can see we're still searching for his email, but you can see we're actually actively engaging him in that playbook, which will engage across email, LinkedIn, etc. And if I go back to Clarify, Clarify just doesn't offer anything like this. They have cool reporting features for their pipeline. They have things like those workflow triggers, but there's no outreach automation. So it's really just a manual tracking tool that does some automation with AI to enrich different features, but it really does no automated outreach. It's really just not built for that at all at this point. And the last thing with all of this, where LeadLoft, in my opinion, kind of pulls away, is if you go into the AI automation features and go to playbooks, new playbook, click AI prospector, and explain who I want to go after. Maybe it's VPs of sales located in SF. Click continue. It's going to build an audience for you. And then now what's really cool here is you can actually build the playbook by hand or with AI. And of course, we'll use AI, outbound lead gen, and we'll say we help companies automate and scale sales with AI. There we go. Now we'll click generate with AI. And now in the background, it's building out that playbook with email steps, LinkedIn steps, calling tasks, etc. Even Bounce Shield if there's emails. So there we go. You can see Bounce Shield is included here at the top because the AI knows that we do in fact have emails in this playbook. So if you scroll down here, it has email steps, LinkedIn steps, calling tasks. I think it looks pretty good. We'll go ahead and click use playbook. And there we go. Now, if you want to set this live, you can just click start playbook at the top right. If you give this a click, what's going to happen is AI agents are going to go out and start prospecting on LinkedIn to see if those prospects match VPs of sales located in SF. If the company and the contact match or meet are qualified based on your description here. We'll save them, we'll verify them in real time, and then we'll start engaging them in this playbook using bounce shields, catch-all email verification, automated emails, so on and so forth. So there you have it, guys. That is my review and breakdown of Clarify's new CRM. When it comes down to it, it's really just not an AI CRM, in my opinion. It's kind of like a manual CRM with some AI enrichment, but that is all. And when it comes down to running outreach, LeadLoft is just infinitely better because it offers email automation, LinkedIn automation, etc. And Clarify just doesn't offer any of that at this point in time. So when it comes down to it, I think Clarify is like a pretty good tool if you're looking for just something that's simple, easy to use, well-designed. But if you're looking for something that's really powerful, really good for running outreach, LeadLoft is obviously the better solution here. So hopefully that's helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me or my team. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video.